Hello children and a very good morning children. Today we are going to do day 20 of our month book 7. Okay children, so now when you come here on day 20, here you have to match the object with their feelings. So what we have learned earlier if that 5 senses we have already learned. So like what the first picture you can see is a picture of, here on the left hand side you can see the pictures of the body parts, and here are the pictures that with what it is used for. Now when we see eyes, what is eyes? What do we do with our eyes? We watch, we see, right? So here you can see the child watching the TV, so you have to match the eyes with the. Now this is the ear. Second is the body part is the ear. Now what we do with our ears? We listen and we hear with our ears. So here you can see that someone is listening to the music. So we will match the picture of the ear with this picture. Now this is the tongue. So what do we do with our? This is the tongue. So we taste with our tongue. So if we do, how will we taste? When we eat something, we can taste, right? So here you have to match the picture of a tongue with the boy eating the sandwich. The next is a picture of a nose. What do we do with our nose? We smell or we breathe with our nose. So you can see a girl smelling the flowers. So we will match this picture with this picture. Then is the hand. We use our hand for writing and holding here. So here you can see the boy holding the pencil. So here I am matching this. Now turning on to the next page, we have is again a VBS worksheet page of living and non-living thing. Here there are two sections where you can see those things that are living. So in living you can see the mushrooms, then the flowers, zebra, tree, dragonfly, fish, crocodile, bird, frog. Now non-living thing. Now living thing, I told you all those are living thing which breathe, which grow, and then again they have one life that comes to an end after some time. They have a time duration. After that it will come to a end, and then again it will start. So these are all the non-living things. That is the teddy bear, that is a toy, then the ball, doll, chair, cloud, skateboard. These are all non-living things. Now here again on this page you are given write notation number 10, but what you have to do, you have to write the number notation of numbers 1 to 10. So write the number notation of 1 to 10. Now turning on to the next page, match the following. What you have to do here, you have to match the, on the left hand side you are given the name of the body parts, and on the right hand side you are given the picture of the body parts. So here you have to match. So now tongue. It's the spelling, it is tongue. So T for tongue. So we will match it with the picture tongue. The next is ear. E for ear. Then E for eyes. H for hand. N for nose. So you have to match the following. Now we are going to learn one new rhyme in Hindi, that is Achhe Bachche. And I know you are all very good children. We have already learned Achhe Bachche. We are going to learn a new rhyme, that is Patang. आसमान पर चढ़ी पतंग, बात बात में लड़ी पतंग, तरह तरह के आकारों की छोटी माझली बड़ी पतंग, हवा डोर माजे के बल पर तनकर ऊपर खड़ी पतंग. Now you all have learned about the kite festival, right? आप सबने पतंग देखे हैं. पतंग इस काइट, तो आसमान पर चढ़ी पतंग, जब आप उसको फ्लाई करते हो है ना, तो कैसे लगता है जैसे कि वो तो आसमान में स्काई पे चढ़ गई, बात बात में लड़ी. So when the two kites get patched with each other, तो वो ऐसे बोलते हैं लड़ी पतंग. तरह तरह क्या करो, you see now different types and shapes of kite. छोटी माजली बड़ी पतंग. छोटी हो पतंग पर छोटी पतंग भी होती है, बड़ी पतंग भी होती है. हवा डोर माजे के बल पे, तो जो हवा है उसकी वजह से ही ये जो मांझा, मतलब ये जो हाथ में पकड़ के आप थ्रेड से करते हो वो हवा है, तो ही आपकी पतंग उड़ेगी. तनकर ऊपर खड़ी पतंग. So this is a new rhyme that you have to practice. Okay, that is all for day 20, children, and with this we have completed with the month 7. Bye bye and have a nice day.